guys, and welcome back to another episode. What I got going on for this episode is something never done on the channel yet. I made a purchase today, and see, I got a lot of tools that just kind of lay around. I think all of us do. And this morning I have an alert set on Facebook Marketplace when toolboxes get posted that are within 50 miles of me. Anyway, I got an alert this morning that there was one that was posted for $100, and I went and got it. It needs some love. So that's what this episode's going to be about, giving it some love. So I haven't really looked at it yet. I do know there is some stuff in it from lifting it in and out with a bad back. So I just wanted to go through that with you. I'm going to throw the stuff in a box that I've got here. Then I'm going to power wash it. We'll just see what we can do to help this out. We'll start at the top and just work our way down. Some kind of a gasket. What do we got here? 7/32. Not too sure what that is. If there's anything here that I don't say what it is and you guys know what it is, leave a comment. Yeah, you can tell it's really dirty in here. See, oh, this string. That looks like one of them things that you use on chain link fence. Spark plug socket. Picture hanger. I don't really know how old this thing is either. Odds and ends, lawnmower probably, spark plug probably, shrink tubing, screw, dust. I forget what that is. I think that's to sharpen knives. Have to look into that. Always throw it away. Hickory handle. Is this like to repair a hammer or something? Got some metal slugs and a piece of hickory, it says. Moving on. Okay. No home runs yet. I think this is for a crescent wrench. What are these? Is this for like Zerk fittings? Maybe? Oh, I need one of these. Washers, brake lube, nothing. Oh, sweet. Back in there. What's that? What do we have here? Yeah, that's nice. What the hell is this? Looks like it was used for a punch of some sort. That could be useful. Got some electrical little eyelets and whatever. I'm going to get my vacuum first. Look at this. What the hell's this? Anybody know what that is? Looks like something I don't need though. Ooh, look at that. Let's stick this up here for a moment. What's that? Right here? Huh? Maybe? I'll be damned. Yeah, I think that's what that is. Zerk fittings. Okay, moving on. Nothing really. Eek. Mighty vac lid. What the heck's this? What is that? What's that go to? Does anybody know what that is? It says Victor. It's got a part number on. I guess I can look it up. Oh, geez. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Ooh, Loctite. Okay, I don't know what that is either. Okay, well, we've got some work to do. I'm gonna get my vacuum out too, it looks like. And anyway, I think I'm gonna get the garbage can too, because there's a lot of stuff in here that just go right in the trash. I'm gonna see if I can make some good use of this thing. It's worth a shot. I mean, if nothing else, I'd probably turn around and sell it for at least what I paid for it. I was kind of sort of wondering how old this thing is. That's probably a decent indication that it's at least 25 years old. Okay, we got everything emptied out of there that I want to keep and everything thrown away that I don't, which probably should throw more away, but I found a couple odds and ends in there. Super trucks, and then I'm curious if anybody knows what that is. I've looked for one of these for years. I've asked, as you can tell, it says AutoZone on it. I've asked them before, do you guys still have these? And they do not. Curious though, put down below if you know what this is. Kind of cool. I also found another key, and I found this in there, so we'll be able to put that back on. And then I don't know, this is a Ford key, I think. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna put this stuff over here, get it off the side. I'm gonna vacuum it out now. I'm pretty sure that this thing was probably sitting in a barn, maybe. Just from my experience, this is kind of what barn toolboxes turn into. So what I did is I went over it with Dawn dish soap. After that, we did a high pressure wash with my pressure washer. And then I went over it with Simple Green and just kind of got the stuff that the pressure washer did not get. Overall, I think it looks really good for $100. I'm pleased with my purchase. Now, my question to you, do I paint this thing? And if I do I color match it? Or do I paint it gray to match the other stuff I've got? I did find that somebody makes a red for it. I think it was Rust-Oleum that's supposed to color match. I'm fine either way. I'm just curious, how would you guys do this? Let me know in the comments. It is hot out here, so I'm gonna go in the house. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tell me if you like this type of video too, please. I don't know if people like these or not, but I do want your input. I appreciate you guys watching another episode of 89 Garage. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that comment section. Peace out.